Hello everyone, my name is Jasprit Sani, and in this video tutorial we will learn about Windows security. Windows security is one of the most important aspects related to the work you do on your computer. It helps you protect your files, your personal information and other credential information. Now first of all, in your computer there is an inbuilt Windows security app. I will show you how it will be helpful protect your files. First of all, click on the Windows button on the bottom of the desktop. In the search bar, click on Windows Security. Now, click on the Windows Security app. This screen will pop up on your device. Now, as you can see on the left side, there's virus and threat protection. Here, a lot of options are there. First of all, you will need to update your antivirus program. You will go to Virus and Threat Protection Updates. Click on the Protection Updates and then click on the Check for Updates. Your computer will start updating the antivirus program. Just wait for your computer to complete the updating your antivirus. In the meanwhile, let's learn about scan options. Click on Go back to Virus and Threat Protection and click on the scan options under Current Threats. Now there are three or four types of scans. One is quick scan. It will be like a quick scan of your whole computer or only of the important files. It will take less than 3 or 4 minutes to complete. Now, second is full scan. This will fully scan your computer including all the files on all the drives. Third is customized scan. In this option, you can choose whatever the files or drives you want to scan. Now, fourth one is Microsoft Defender Antivirus. This is an offline scan in which your computer will first shut down and then your computer will automatically turn on, but it will not get started. First, your computer will scan the whole drives in an offline mode. As per your preference, you can choose any of the scan option, whatever you need. Now, let's get back to the updating process. Click on protection updates. Now, as you can see that last update is completed just now. So after updating your process, you will go back to the previous screen and then as I have already explained that you can choose any scan option that is desirable to you. Now let's have a quick scan started. After selecting the quick scan, just go down and click on scan now. As you can see that scan has started and there's an estimated time remaining also. As you can see that my computer is showing that almost 1 minute and 35 seconds are remaining. As I've already told you that it will take only less than 2 minutes to complete the whole scan under quick scan option. Wait for it to be completed and your computer will be fully scanned for all the threats. I hope this video will help you understand the Windows security in a greater extent. Thank you. Have a good day.